Then we have more tips like which father will give. I used to see each video after coming from my class, and with that I got 370 in reading. Actually, I was very scared. Means I was lacking in reading, listening. But by following all the strategies and tips, I cleared. Thank you so much, Father. Actually, my name is Vaishnavi. I have completed BSc Nursing, and I wrote exam on 5th of April. And today I got my results with all B. And I'm
Oh,
so grateful
congratulations.
for Father because he's, even though I used to go for my classes where I joined, and there someone said me like about Father, if you want any tips regarding reading and all, please see Father's video. My friend suggested. So I contacted Father and he used to send me daily videos like what all things we have to do for like reading and all, elimination strategies. And then we have more tips like which father will give. I used to see each video after coming from my class. And with that, I got 370 in reading. Actually, I was very scared. Means I was lacking in reading, listening. But by following all the strategies and tips, I cleared. Thank you so much, Father. I am from Karnataka, Karwar. Actually, now
Ah,
I'm present in Mangalore. Yeah,
yes.
I'm in Mangalore only. I worked for 1 year. Then I got to know about OET. Many
Okay.
of them suggested don't try OET because it has stopped. But still, I took OET. Then I got to know about you. I saw first your YouTube videos. Then I joined Telegram channel. But
That's good.
really, your tips are very useful. Starting, we won't get what to do. But like after practicing every day with same, I used to make notes also by seeing your videos. And I used to see in class and all. All strategies should must that really
Okay.
help. Part A also, part B also. As you said, Father, first we have to read question, then paragraph, and then option. It is really helpful. If we read first options, then we won't understand. We will get confused, like which option to choose. Once we see that paragraph, we read properly, carefully, we will get to know idea, like what this paragraph is saying, purpose, gist of the paragraph. Then we can easily select any one answer. In even in part C and B also. Thankfully, by God's grace, I cleared. I was just having hope on God, like He will only do any miracle. I have given my 100%. Rest I left on God. Actually, I am Hindu, but I used to pray for every God, even Saint Anthony miracle, and he did it finally. Actually, don't worry about exam. Just give your 100%. Rest God will do, and follow every like whatever father is giving guidance. No, you don't think by like today if I see video tomorrow in like when I'm practicing I will get all answer. It's not true. Just every day you have to practice, then only you will get to know about tips. But actually what I felt when I watched, it is very easy. What father is saying, very easy, I will score. But next day when I used to practice, I was like entirely different. Then every day by seeing videos, every day using about those tricks, and then making notes, reading those notes, then I got to know actually how to do. Because
Yes.
everyone says same, even my father. Yeah, father, I hope everyone knows Kannada. Like some of them,
Yes.
they used to say like father's video ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ correct ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, but solve ಮಾಡುವಾಗ we are very confused. But I also felt, but after daily practice, consistency is the must. And exam center, there are very good headphones. No need to worry about listening, nothing. Everything is clear. And compared to materials which you are studying, exam materials are very easy. What we will get in final exam. Just you have to concentrate, and time management is must. Later also, we will think that 5 minutes we will get for proofreading, but in that situation, we won't get 5 minutes. Like we'll be panicking. So we have to thoroughly write with all commas, each and everything. Speaking also, it's very good. You have to be confident. You have to like which environment you are speaking. You have to be comfortable. You have to not get scared at all. If you get scared, you will lose. And if even if you're doing mistake, you will get to know. So don't go to repeat that same line. Just continue speaking. If you repeat that same sentence, they will catch you and deduct your marks. I hope UK will open soon and we all can go after clearing. All the best.
Yeah, definitely. UK will open up. UK will open up. Okay, don't worry. There are a lot of vacancies.
Yeah,
36% vacancies are there, but only the limited, maybe the present issue that will open up. Definitely, it will open up.
yeah. Okay, all the best, everyone. Please follow all the strategies which Father is giving.
Yeah, and now I have a reason to come to Mangalore to celebrate your success.
Yes, Father, sure.
Where will you take me at Mangalore?
Where you will come, Father?
For party, which is your favorite location for party? For celebration, which is your favorite location?
Ideal Cafe.
Okay, Ideal Cafe. Good. I will
Eat
connect.
ice cream.
Yeah, definitely. I will contact you when we come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but even I was there in class, Father. There I used to practice speaking and writing properly. But for reading and listening, I got because of your tips. Because even if we are joining any institute, they won't give us a reading tip. They will give us all materials and we have to solve it by own. But after seeing your videos, I got to know there will be some. I used to think it is very difficult. Simply we have to take what we feel is correct. But when you said that after, however, contrast word, we will be having answer. Then many things you said after where to find answer. Then I got correct answer. But still I was very, very scared today morning. But finally, with all God's grace only, it happened. So thankful. And a photo of my scorecard.
God bless you. Okay.
Bye,
Waiting
Father.
for the party at Mangalore at Ideal. Okay.
Bye, Father.
Done. Yes.
And EduSkills YouTube channel has resources, but the full explanation, you have all the 4 modules, all the strategies explained in different videos. Definitely you can access them. They are all free. If need be, I will give all the links together in a single form, and you can just click on the links and reach the videos. If you watch them all, definitely I know you will not come here to listen to me because I have talked almost everything over there. Those are not just videos, they are the previous sessions uploaded. Previous Zoom sessions uploaded on 4 subtests. Like we have contrast word based questions, you have gist based questions, you have topic sentence based questions, you have detail based questions, which is in the supporting sentence, opinion questions. All those are the different types of questions. There are different criteria. Those things also I have explained in my channel. And there are typical types and only such types will be asked.
Thank you, sir.
If you find my smile attractive, we'll meet again.
Thank you, Father.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you,
Thank you, Father.
God bless you all.
It was very interesting and very, very, very informative session. And thank you so much for taking some time out of your busy schedule. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Most welcome. Yes, God bless.